Well, I'm here in the lobby at the hotel room, hanging out with some people. We got Brian, Sam, Ryan from the Pepper Exchange. Here's Kate, the jerky girl. Kay, John, and Amber. Sue, Vic, a whole bunch of people over there. Hey. We're doing a webcast. So it's getting really late, and I still haven't slept. And I'm dropping and driving again, so I need to go detox a little bit. Tomorrow's going to be a whole lot of fun. We're going to find out how many third price ribbons I got. Okay, I don't even know. I probably won't even get it. They're probably going to escort me out the door before it starts.
The best thing that you got going for you?
What?
Is you entered the song.
Awesome. Well, someone help me with that one. Awesome. So listen, these guys are probably going to wind up partying until 3 or 4 in the morning, but no.
Somebody says.
No? Yes? No? Okay, sign off.
Bye.
Okay. So, okay, none of us are going to party, but those guys they're drinking stuff out of jars over there. I don't think it's going to end for a while.
Gator knows something about those jars.
Yeah, Gator does know a thing or two about those jars. Gator's in with his wife. He already signed off a long time. Yeah, Amber's not drinking at all, but we don't know where she's been. So I'm going to say good night. God bless you all. Take care.